usually make movies. I don't take too many pictures anymore. So,
no way.
So you guys are live. So say hi. You never know. You guys might be on YouTube. I could do it. We can put you on YouTube tonight. Yeah, I got the YouTube for my buddy can. So say hi, everybody. Hello. Mosport. Hey. So I'm threatening everybody with YouTube. So I'm filming, and you guys. It might. YouTube. We could be. Yeah? Okay. You could be.
Look at that little dog. He has been trying locked in his bike as they go up into the tornado. Look on the outside.
You've been fucking hiding these from us all weekend. You know these people. You fuckers.